Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to adjust page border margins in Word. Open the Word document to see the current page border. Now from the Layout menu, click on the Page Setup button which you see in the lower corner. Here you can set the desired margin by entering its values. When you do, click on OK to see the result. Then you will go to the Design menu and there you will click on the option Page Borders. In this window, click on the button Options. Then in the field Measure From, you will leave the option Text. Click on OK. Again, click on OK to see the change in the margin of your border in Word. If you need to adjust this margin, again click on Page Borders and then on Options. You can adjust the margins as needed. When you click on OK and close the window, you will see the change in the margin of the page border. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.